Everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of June 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see what is coming up for Scorpions for this month time. We will be taking oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So stay tuned and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Scorpions, let's find out what can you expect coming up for you in the month of June overall. Let's get started. Page of Swords, unwanted energies, unhealthy patterns. You would be dealing with a lot of stuff going on. You would be maybe picking up arguments, fights, legal matters with people around you as well. There is going to be a lot of unpleasant energy around you in the month of June, especially in the very beginning of the month. Let's take more cards. Yep. There's a lot of disappointment in yourself and the other people that you would be dealing with as well. I feel like it's not going to be a positive month, especially the very beginning of the month seems to be kind of not so positive for you, where you're going to feel disappointed in yourself and the people. You would feel like you are unable to do or have anything good that you would like to have for yourself. Let's take more cards. There are certain decisions that you have to make, because I feel like otherwise you are gonna stay stuck in this energy. It's not a positive energy to have. Especially the first half seems to be troublesome. Now you would be dealing with things in a very immature way. If you want things to speed up, if you want things to go in your favor, be that in love, work, home life situation, you need to take some decisions. You need to take some steps forward, which you won't be. I feel like your way of dealing with things is so immature right now that it will definitely trouble you in many ways that you cannot even imagine right now. So there is a lot going on in the month of June for you. Underneath the deck, we do have the Seven of Pentacles. You would feel like you don't have enough time for anything, and you would feel like you have so much on your plate. In actuality, things can be sorted out, things can be prioritized, things can be maintained, balanced, but then you are dealing with things the wrong way. You would feel like you have a lot on your plate. You would be maybe rejecting, neglecting the needs, the wants that your person have as well. I feel like there is going to be a lot of issues that you would be dealing with in the month of June. Even though you would be committed to your person, but when it comes to doing something for them, you would not be doing anything for them there. It seems like you would feel that you don't have time enough. You would not be ready to take any opportunity to make up for things as well. Your happiness is definitely not gonna be it's more like the happiness is available to you, but then you are not taking it at all. You are just choosing not to indulge into things that can bring you peace, happiness back in your life. Somehow you're gonna feel like you have other things to do, other things to deal with. You would be connected, you would be committed to your person, but at the same time seems like your person is not gonna feel that you are there with them at all. Their energy is you would not be available to this person, whoever it is. You would feel like you are available to them, but deep down you are disappointing them. You are delaying the things that can bring the peace in the situation. You would not be it's more like a time where you are going to be thinking about maybe committing to your person, but at the same time the way you are dealing things is not right. You would feel maybe deep down, since you are dealing with shit in your life, you would feel like you want something stable in your love life at least. But then when you are doing or dealing with situations, you are dealing it with such a wrong attitude that you would fail to make your person satisfied, make your person happy, make your person feel good around the situation. Let's take some cards for your person's energy. Let's see whoever it is, whatever it is that your person is doing right now or taking this connection like. Let's see what is your person thinking of you right now. But seems like they are disappointed in you. Let's see what is it that they think of you. Seven of Cups, they don't know what's going on. They feel like they are putting effort into the connection. Maybe they feel that you are busy with your work and scenarios. You have your guards up against them. That's what they feel. They feel that you are unemotionally available, unemotional towards them, and you are unavailable to them. They would want to have something beautiful with you, but then you don't have being giving them anything. They are hurt in you and they are disappointed in you as well. Let's see what the oracle has to suggest though. It seems like it's not going to be an easy month for you when it comes to your love life. Seems like the way you are dealing things is not right. Getting to know each other, you are not letting that happen. You are not revealing what is going on to deepen the connection, as the card came out in reverse. Engagement, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. If that happens, trust me, the connection can get the balance back in there. But I don't see, I feel like you want things to work out, but then you are not taking the right action forward. It is safe for you to love, open your heart, to give and receive the highest energy of all. You are not doing that as well. So there is something that you could fix in this connection, but then you are not doing that. Let's see, what else do we have? Scorpions. Shed old skin. You need to change the way you take things. You need to change the way you behave with your person. You need to bring some change in the connection to get a better result this time around. Otherwise, things not gonna change. Move in a new direction. The same card came up for the sign of Pisces as well. Maybe I didn't shuffle the cards, did I? Yeah, I think I didn't shuffle the cards. Or I did. I don't know. The same cards. Let's take some more cards though. Broken arrow, traveler, and the snake. Move in a new direction. You have to take this connection to a new direction. Broken arrow, embrace the energy of peace. If you want peace in your life, with where you are satisfied in your love life and other areas of your life as well, you need to do things differently, which you fail to understand right now. Let's take more cards. Let's see what else do we have. I felt like I shuffled the cards, but let's see, 3 more cards here. Spirit folks, trust your talents in changing times. You can maintain healthy balance if that's what keeps you away from your person. Trust in the higher forces. And the last one is great teacher. Learn from the spiritual experiences. I feel like the universe has been guiding you towards the right path forward when it comes to this connection, when it comes to other decisions that you have to make in your life. But then maybe you are not listening to any signs, any messages coming from the divine, and that's why you are going to be struggling with so many things happening in your life in this month time. Let's take one card from this. Do something for someone, give your attention to another. It's very important for you. If you really want things to sort out in your love life, you have to give your attention to another person, to the person that you are dealing with. I feel like you have been maybe neglecting them or their needs, and that's why a situation seems to be going against you. They are not happy with you for sure. So yeah, and I feel like somehow it's not gonna keep you at peace as well. So just make sure that you make some room for them as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.